ProcessPad is a platform for discovering and capturing your business processes, as well as designing new ones. ProcessPad gives you a process that is documented completely, fully modeled, and available for automation. This video will show you just how simple ProcessPad is to use. If you are using the network version iPad, unlike ProcessPad, you will have a Work Online button on the right that will connect you to the server. Let's get started. On opening ProcessPad, tips are displayed. Several sample process models are also available to get you up and running. As you can see, ProcessPad is a familiar Microsoft Office style, making the program very user-friendly for any computer user. Just like in Microsoft Office, I can start a new process with the click of a button. From the Actions list, we click the New Process icon to open a new blank process. Click the ProcessPad Save button and save the process as New Hire Process. Now we select the model element from the Table of Contents pane and update the default name to New Hire. Now we can enter the following process description below: Employee New Hire Process for Beyond 2008 Enterprises Incorporated. The Add Reference button can be used to link to a file or URL. In this example, it would be appropriate to link the process model to the company's HR policies and procedures content on its website, or to a policy and procedure manual on a server. Now let's add some steps. Select the Process tab in the toolbar if it is not already selected. Now click the Event tool on the toolbar and enter in its properties. Adding that step was not a challenge at all. Also, see how in the table of contents the role of hiring coordinator has been created. For more flexibility, ProcessPad allows you to create the roles on the fly by just simply defining your roles. Next, we select the Activity Process element from the toolbar and enter in the activity properties. A very simple but effective way to ensure the process model is easy to understand in the future is adding forms and references to documents, web addresses, etc. So let's add a job application form to this activity. Let's also add a decision process element by clicking from the toolbar and entering in its properties. As you can see, entering text with ProcessPad is not rocket science. After we enter the entire text, click on the Save button to secure our work. Now click on the Diagram tab to switch from text to diagram view. Let's just practice moving the process elements around and resizing the swim lanes by clicking on the swim lane name to reveal the resize handles. Working with a diagram is just as easy as it looks. Now, let's click on an output, then click on Print Preview. As you can see, our process has already been documented. Breaking it down with a table of contents, you have process description, diagram, table, and roles. Well, that is ProcessPad. It is so easy to use because no programming skills or technical skills are required. If you can use Microsoft Word, then you can use ProcessPad. With the push of a button, you can turn your documented process into a diagram. With the touch of another button, you can turn the process into a formal document. ProcessPad allows an individual or group user to discover a process. Through collaboration, the file is then reviewed and then converted into a document, and then published with the option to automate at any time. Using Process Master, your process models can be turned into valuable business systems by your IT department. We support IBM, Oracle, and others, but check out our connectors to see what other technologies you can import, export, and round-trip your ProcessPad models to. Let ProcessPad turn your business efficiently and cost-effectively into a competitive business today. Download your free trial of ProcessPad now.